What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We've got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're working with the Revell 124 scale Jeep CJ7. The box says it was a 99 release, and I looked on ScaleMates and saw it was first released in new tool in 77 with various parts and box changes, retooled again in 78 with several more changes in parts. I'm not sure which, with the box art and decals, with its last run in 07. Oddly, I didn't find the Daisy Duke version there in ScaleMates. I'm not sure if I didn't type it right or what, but it wasn't there. The Daisy Duke version, the highly sought after and really spendy kit. This was a Facebook auction win. Great deal. I'll put a link in the description of a video I made recently of how to save cash on kits. This one was like 25 bucks with shipping. That's Hobby Lobby or hobby shop prices, but it's a cool old kit. The box is a little beat up, but it was sealed inside. And now we're going to look at what's inside together. I've gone ahead and taken all the parts out of the bags. Helps keep the fumbling down and makes the videos a little bit shorter for, our attention spans nowadays. Squirrel. First, let's talk about the paints and the glue. I opened them up and it looked like they were not separated. There was no skim. I gave them a good shake and a good stir. You can see there's a little settling in the bottom there, but they look like they're actually going to be usable. I did not expect that at all. I kind of thought I'm probably just going to wind up throwing those away. Same with the glue. The tube feels like it's still soft, pliable. I have no idea if this stuff's any good or not. If you've used this before, let me know. Feel free to write something in the comments. I probably won't use it. I mean, I might open it and try it, but who knows. And the box that it came with had this neat little display diorama, like a road or something to park it on. That's kind of neat. Again, probably not going to use that. But then the parts themselves, everything looks really clean. I mean, this is an older kit, older tool. Who cares what the box looks like? The extras that it come with are pretty cool. It's got this jerry cans, really neat. Those will get strapped on the back somewhere. A winch, which you can see it's got neat spool on there, so that'll paint up and look really cool. Fire extinguisher and that tonneau cover or bimini top, that's super neat. The CB radio. And the tires and the wheels that it come with are these pretty cool, decent tread off-road. Got a nice imprint that says Goodyear on there. Really prominent raised lettering, which would be really easy to pick out with some white paint later. And the wheels, those pretty typical, wagon wheels, I think they're referred to. I may or may not even be using those. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to go aftermarket with it. I'll either use these Hot Wheels videos. Again, I'll put a link in the description. It's in the same one that's in the description of Saving Kits. These are Hot Wheels monster truck tires. And then these were from the Big Game Hunter. I'd already kind of test fit it, and the suspension won't work because it's too wide comparatively. But that's not a problem, as these types are really not that hard to lift. You just put a block underneath it and raise it up a little bit so that it'll host these bigger tires. That's going to look pretty cool. Huh? What do you think? Yeah? Yeah, for sure. It also came with the AMC V8, so that's pretty cool. Not a very common motor, but definitely a Jeep motor. So that's pretty neat. I'll have to paint it correct so that it's got leaks and everything. They say how you check for fluids on a Jeep. You look under and yep, there's a puddle of each.
Several bad puns later.
And then we'll look at the decals and the instructions. Pretty limited decals, but again, I'm probably not going to use those. I will paint it yellow and black because yellow Jeep. Pretty standard Revell instructions. Older drawing style, but still decently detailed. And the parts themselves, again, like I said, they all look really clean. Not a whole lot of flash anywhere. Little tiny bits, but that's actually just a brace, so that'll cut right out. It's got the really nice prominent details on the door cards. Various different glass. Oh, it's got a little scratch in there, but you know, this thing has seen its days, I'm sure. Not sure how many shelves it's been on before it finally got sold. A nice solid one-piece frame. And that hood looks to be in pretty good shape. Really simple hinge design instead of those weird make the hinge, glue it on contraptions. And the firewall and the dashboard also looks like it's got some really clean details. See if the camera will pick that up for you. Interior, front and back seats. Not sure what that is. Oh, probably seat back. The tailgates and the tire carrier, tire swing out. Looks like it's going to be a cool kit. This will definitely paint up and look pretty nice. Yeah, there's seat backs for the other one. And then there's that V8 AMC, and then stock exhaust. And like I said, these are not hard to lift at all. They basically just extend that out. That part right there, just put a block under it and raise it up. You know, a 1/4 inch makes it look like there's a good 6-inch lift under it. You know, so it'll eventually look like that. Yeah, for sure. Really digging it. Again, it looks like it'll be a fun kit. Be sure to stay tuned for the finished build. The video coming soon. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, sub, thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that stuff. And I'll leave this picture up so you can pause it and see what everything is in there. And then we'll put in these videos of other videos on the channel for you to watch as well. Thanks again, everybody.